Some people wonder how I manage to run my own business and create content for social media, mainly YouTube. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top time management tips and bring you through my day. My first tip is to start your day early. 5:15 or 5:30, that is the perfect time to wake up in the morning. You get so much more completed if you start your day early. You will have approximately 3 hours to do whatever you need to do. And I'm excluding from that my bathroom routine and my dog walking and feeding routine. Tip number 2, have a morning routine. This is essential as it helps me to stay focused and motivated. Within my morning routine, I have a routine for my dog and a bathroom and skincare routine. I do love a routine. Tip number 3, have a schedule and a to-do list and stick to it. I'll be honest, I do find it difficult to get my to-do list completed, but I always manage to get it completed eventually. The schedule and to-do list help me to remove information from my mind and put it down onto paper. Perfect for stress management. Tip number 4, stay focused on the end goal. So many people are distracted by what's going on around them, mainly social media, and then they begin to compare themselves to others. Everyone's journey is different, and no one will ever see the hard work that goes into any achievements. So don't focus on what others are doing and how they are doing what they're doing. Put that energy into your own personal development and goals. And my final tip, tip number 5, be positive. Remove any negativity from around you. It's very simple. Just be positive and try and turn a negative situation into a positive one. So those are my top 5 time management tips. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.